first, and I'd like to talk about the fact that we're well in hurricane season here in South Florida. As the time of this recording, there's a tropical disturbance right now in the tropics that will or may turn into a hurricane or a storm. And one of the things, as a home inspector, I have a lot of clients calling right now, hustling to get insurance before the cutoff period. Whenever there's a cone at a certain distance, cone of disturbance, the insurance companies will not write new policies during that time. So one of the things that is very important during this time is for homeowners to get their what's called a 4-point inspection and a wind mitigation inspection. These inspections are very useful for the insurance companies to know what is the state of your major systems. Major systems are your roof, your electrical, your plumbing, your air condition. And as far as a windstorm is concerned, inspection, it's regarding whether you have enough protection or adequate protection for your home. Please like and subscribe to this channel. So yesterday I had a foreign client, overseas client, buying a home in Weston. Only to find out that the home is 21 years old, and a home that's that age, if the previous owner hadn't changed the water heater or the air condition or the roof, those are what's considered to be close to or at the end of life. So even if they still work, you might require to change them in order to get a lower insurance, or you would like to know how old they are before you buy the property so that you don't have to change them on your own a year or two after owning the property. That's why it's important that you do an inspection even if the home appears to be in good condition or appears to be new, because a lot of investors do rehab houses that are older that appears to be new, but all the appliances might not have been changed and upgraded. And this also includes the electrical in some instances. So the need for an inspector is very valuable. We serve a very important purpose in the process of home buying and selling, and do not skip on this important service, or you might learn to regret it in a couple of years from now.